Mastering mobile design. Mobile apps must deliver blazing speed and silky smoothness to captivate users. Where do we need to focus our efforts to optimize mobile app performance, thereby ensuring that our users experience fast loading times, rapid responsiveness, and overall seamless interactions that drive engagement and loyalty? To optimize mobile app performance and ensure a seamless user experience, we need to focus on several key areas that impact loading times, responsiveness, and overall interaction quality. Here's a comprehensive approach to achieve operational excellence in mobile app design. 1. Optimize app size and code. Leverage code optimization techniques like code splitting, tree shaking, and minification to reduce the app's overall size. Use lazy loading for non-essential features and assets, deferring their loading until necessary. Apply compression techniques, such as xzip and brotli, to reduce the size of transmitted data. Use a modular architecture to ensure that only necessary components are loaded, reducing the overall app size and improving performance. 2. Image and media optimization. Compress images using lossy and lossless techniques, like WebP and JPEG XR, to reduce file sizes. Use image lazy loading, where images are loaded only when they come into view, reducing the initial load size. Apply caching mechanisms to store frequently accessed images, minimizing repeated requests. Leverage video optimization techniques, such as transcoding and caching, to reduce video file sizes and improve playback performance. 3. Network and API optimization. Implement efficient API design principles, using RESTful APIs and JSON data formats to reduce payload sizes. Enable HTTP/2 protocol to reduce header overhead and improve multiplexing. Utilize caching mechanisms, like HTTP caching and Redis, to minimize repeated requests and improve response times. Implement connection pooling and keep alive headers to reduce the overhead of establishing new connections. 4. Rendering and layout optimization. Implement a responsive design that adapts to different screen sizes and devices, reducing the need for redundant layouts. Leverage CSS Grid and Flexbox to optimize layout rendering and reduce the number of layout recalculations. Use GPU-accelerated rendering and WebGL for demanding graphical tasks, offloading computation from the CPU. Apply layout optimizations, such as using absolute positioning and reducing DOM complexity, to minimize layout recalculations. 5. Memory and resource management. Implement memory-efficient data structures and reduce object allocations to minimize garbage collection. Use caching mechanisms, like LRU caches, to reduce the frequency of memory allocations. Optimize database queries and caching to reduce the load on the database and minimize memory usage. Profile and optimize memory-intensive operations, identifying areas for improvement. 6. Monitoring and analytics. Implement monitoring tools, such as New Relic and Crashlytics, to track performance metrics and identify bottlenecks. Use A/B testing and experimentation to measure the impact of performance optimizations. Leverage analytics tools, like Google Analytics, to track user behavior and identify areas for improvement. Conduct regular performance audits and benchmarking to ensure optimizations are effective. 7. Continuous integration and deployment. Establish a continuous integration pipeline, automating testing, building, and deployment of the app. Implement automated testing, using tools like Junit and Espresso, to ensure performance and functionality. Leverage containerization, such as Docker, to standardize the development environment and ensure consistency. use canary releases and phased rollouts to gradually deploy changes, minimizing the risk of performance regressions. 8. User feedback and iteration. Collect user feedback through surveys, feedback forms, and App Store reviews to identify pain points. Analyze user behavior and feedback to prioritize performance optimizations. Establish a feedback loop, using tools like user voice and Attentive, to engage with users and gather insights. Iterate on optimizations based on user feedback, ensuring that performance improvements align with user needs. By focusing on these key areas, you can significantly improve mobile app performance, providing fast loading times, rapid responsiveness, and seamless interactions that drive engagement and loyalty.